Hello beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I get some heatless waves or crimps on this green wig from Nadula hair. As you can see right now, I'm just showing you the wig and stuff in its dry state, because for this hairstyle you want to dampen this wig with some water. As you can see, that's what I'm doing now. The first spray bottle didn't work, so I picked up another one. But fun fact about this wig, it's actually like previously been featured on my channel, so all the information there, I will link that video so you can reference back to that wig for like a more in-depth thing, just to you know, get more information than I can give you in this video. There's supposed to be a video on how I dyed it green because it originally was not green, but something happened with that footage. Hopefully I can get it back, and so I will be able to show you. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch what I'm doing. Right now I'm just parting the hair because I was going to do cornrows, but I can't cornrow, so I'm gonna actually just do regular, you know, plaits and just call it a day. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back. This is the finished product, and you know, it looks kind of crazy, but I mean, it's whatever. But I'm just gonna let this dry overnight, and then I will come back after everything is all good. Alright beauty babes, so it is the next morning. You know, this is how the hair is looking again. Just a quick turnaround for you. But as you are going to be able to see, I'm just removing the rubber bands because I forgot to say I did secure this with rubber bands. I mean, I'm sure I showed you, but I just forgot to say it. So I'm going to be removing all the rubber bands. Then I'm going to be, you know, just taking out the braids like normal. Then I'm going to put the wig on, but I'm not going to jump that far ahead, you know. I'm not going to get ahead of myself. I'm just going to let you watch what I'm doing really quickly, and then I will come back. Alrighty, so I'm back. This is how the wig is looking, you know, and I'm just here with my wig cap on. I'm gonna put on the wig. I'm not going to be gluing this wig down because I really only put it on for this video, and I'm going to be taking it right back off. So yes, you will see my lace lifting. Do not clock me in the comments because I'm telling you now, you know, it's by choice. But as you can see now, I have it in the middle part, but I ended up changing to a side part because I didn't like it in the middle part once I started separating it. And to separating it, really, I'm just using my fingers and a wide tooth comb to kind of comb it out because I wanted the bigger look, just in my opinion. So I'm just gonna let you sit and watch. And, you know, I will be back after it is completely all done, makeup finished, and the big reveal. Okay, so I just took off the wrap and, you know, I did my makeup. This is like a very light, quick makeup that I will be having a video over that is different from my other ones because this product, I'm probably using maybe 3 products, I believe. It's under 5 products. I'm using under 5 products with this makeup look. But anyway, this is about the hair. So this is how the hair is looking. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but if I didn't, this wig is the same wig that I've already previously like put on my channel. I will link the video in the IQ card and I will put a picture if I remember right here. But what happened, quick story, is that this hair turned green, but it was supposed to be brown. It turned green, and I mean, I like it. I mean, I don't feel bad. I feel like the Joker. Like, you know, he's my favorite. So I like this color. It's very different from what I do. I typically do kind of natural-ish colors, but this one's a little more out of my comfort zone, and I really, really like it. This hair is from Nadula Hair. And like I said, I will leave the previous video on featuring this wig like underneath and stuff like that so that you can you know, get all the information you want from this wig, see how it looked before. And I do have a video of me coloring this hair and how it went wrong, but something's going wrong with the footage, so hopefully I can get it like settled so that I can show you it, because it's actually a very quite funny little experience. But yeah, this is the final look. Hair's done, makeup's done very lightly, and everything. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload another video. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you next time. Bye.